Welcome to Emerald Pixel Tech. My name is Emerald Pixel Gaming. I am your host today. Today we're actually going to be having a look at how to create a bootable USB with the amazing program called Rufus. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already installed the program, watch this first part of the tutorial. If you have installed the program, you can skip this part. First, come to this link, which will be down in the description. Scroll down to where it says download. Click Rufus 2.15 Portable. Save it wherever you like. And wait for it to finish downloading. This applies to Mozilla Firefox and Opera. With Google Chrome, it is slightly different. Once it's finished downloading, click on the file. When you see this screen, select No. You'll then finally see the Rufus window. Now, make sure that the following things are done. You will need a USB that's completely blank, no files on it. So if you have files on it, back them up on your computer and then put in your USB. And then it will be ready. Also, make sure your USB is fast enough. You can research if the Windows operating system you want to put onto your USB will fit your USB. Now, I'm going to go ahead and enter in my USB now. I've now entered in my USB. Let's go through the settings. First of all, where it says device, select which USB you want to use, if you have multiple USBs or an external hard disk. Partition scheme and target system type, you can leave that as is. File system, this is very important that you set it to NTFS. However, if you're going to burn Windows 95 or under that, you can use FAT32. But for Windows 98 and above, use NTFS. Cluster size, you can leave that alone. New volume label, you can put that. For example, I will be adding on Windows XP. Format options. You can leave check device for bad blocks unticked unless you know that your USB has had a bad history. Quick format. This is very important that it's ticked. Create a bootable disk using ISO image, not DD. Create extended label icon and files, keep that ticked. There is a little CD icon. Select that to select your disk image. You can go to Get Into PC to download disk images. Link in the description. I have now put in my Windows XP ISO image into the program. Once you've imported your ISO image, click on Start. Be sure that you know that everything will be destroyed if you still have data on the USB. Click OK or click Cancel depending on what you want to do. The program will now create your USB bootable. I will be back once it is done. Once it is done, your USB is ready to be used as a bootable ISO. Let's try it out. To access it, double click on it in this PC, computer or my computer. Then click Setup. The USB is now ready to be used to install Windows. Thank you for watching this video.